And this is where we're going to hook it up. This desk is an absolute mess. I apologize. We're going to hook it up to this TV here. I have a Sharp flat screen 4x3 TV that I can hook it up to. This TV used to be in our kitchen, believe it or not. Then we upgraded to an HD TV in there. Somehow along the way we lost the remote. So I got one of these instead. One of these Philips Universal remotes, and it does work. So that's a good deal there. Let's go get the Tano Dragon and hook her up. First of all, let's see how big this is and how it'll fit on the desk. I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit cumbersome. Actually, it's not horrible. Sitting here at the desk, I can just... Yeah, that's not bad at all. Just needs a bunch of this stuff moved out of the way. So, I guess the first order of business is the power supply. So, put that over here, and wow, the rubber band just disintegrated in my hand. Ah, new old stock. A nice black rubber band, which will probably also disintegrate in my hand. Or maybe not. Remember, these rubber bands are from the early to mid-80s, so might not be all that pleasant. This rubber band seems to have survived just fine. This cable is really, wow. It's got a knot in it already. There we go. The cable is really thick and heavy duty on this, which is pretty sweet. So, take this and plug it in over here. Come on, get in there. There you go. Alright. All this stuff needs to just move. So that will stay here. I'm going to leave the power supply there so that I can actually turn the machine on. Plugs that straight in. Now hook up the monitor, or hook up the TV actually. So, that is with the Atari monochrome cable. Now these are pretty handy if you just want to buy something and get it up and running. Supposedly the Atari monochrome cables are the correct colors. So yellow is video and white is audio. So supposedly they're the correct colors, and it's a 5-pin DIN. So that's what you want to use. Back. Excellent. So run that side. Plug that right into the side of the TV here. I have no clue what this is going to be. Alright. I think the next most appropriate thing is to set up the tape deck. So, I've got this very modern Radio Shack cassette recorder here. I'll use that for the tape drive. Plug that in here. Make sure it works. Yep. Works fine. Now to use the tape cable here. This thing's going to be kind of a mess.
But actually it's an Asian-operated tale that has gained actually a tremendous following.
Alright, so got your cable here. It's another 5-pin DIN. That goes in the side here. In the port labeled tape, obviously. So plug that DIN cable into the tape port, and you're good to go. Snake that around over to the tape deck. what you want to do here is plug everything into the appropriate spot. Blue is remote jack. Well, I don't know what color goes to where. White plug goes into the earphone. So you plug that into ear on your cassette deck, and then that makes the red go into the microphone, so they can actually write data to the tape. And there you have it. Always pays to read the manual sometimes when you don't know what the hell you're doing. Especially if you're new to the old, especially if you're new to 8-bit computers like I am. Yay. Alright, got the cassette deck there. Power supply here. Move this back a little bit. Excellent. So, now I just gotta get a joystick. I would use this joystick, but I'm gonna clean off the rust first before I even plug it into that. So I think what I'll try is one of the original Tandy joysticks here. Excellent. So we have ourselves a merry little Christmas. No, we have ourselves Tano Dragon just about ready to go. So let's turn on the TV and see if she works. My universal remote here. We have snow. There we go. We have success. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. This looks great on this LCD display. It really does. On this TV here. Let me just manually set the exposure here so you can see better. Turn that down slightly. Alright. Here we have 16K basic. So, seems to work. So, this is basic. This is all you get. So, I'm going to show you, so basic is something I'm going to learn. I've already learned one thing. I can make an infinite loop of bacon. And I will demonstrate that. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for your infinite loop of bacon? Well, let's run. Oh yeah! Look at all the bacon. Look at all that bacon. You hit the brake key to stop that. Well, that's the very beginning of basic right there. You can make an infinite loop of bacon. I had to. I'm sorry, guys. I had to. Alright. Hey guys, check it out. I'm the Federal Reserve. Money, 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 money. Okay, joking around aside, I think it's time that we take a look at some of the software that actually came with this particular computer. And for that we need the cassette. Let's try this. Look at that. There you go. I should probably back up this tape at some point. Alright. With the remote jack there. Yep, that's right. It's all around. So, set this up, you just hit play on the tape. Move back over to the screen here. And type C load. And it will start playing on the cassette down there. And you'll see an S there for searching. And once it finds a program, it'll load it and then it'll stop. There you have it. I/O error. Oh no. Well, can I still run it? Nope. Yeah, fun. Alright, it looks like I'm gonna have to change some stuff on this cassette recorder, so I might just, you know what, I'm gonna swap out the cassette recorder entirely because it's kind of a pain to set this one because there's no indicators for which side is exactly the right one. So let me just swap out this cassette recorder here with one that's kind of more appropriate. Panasonic from the late 70s. So, mid to late 70s maybe? I know this one's supposed to work, so. And the difference with this one is I can actually see where everything is set. So let me set all these to the middle. It's a 10 scale, yeah. Set everything to 5. Should make it easier. This recorder does happen to have everything I need. It had just barely everything I need. It has monitor, remote jack, and a microphone. So let's see if this works. Let's try this one instead. Come on. There we go. Okay. Let's try this player this time and see if it works. This is the fun with cassette-based media. It's kind of a pain sometimes. Alright. Let's try this again. Hopefully it can find it this time. If not, I'll have to play around with this Radio Shack one to see if I can get it to work. The only problem is the indicators for the volume aren't indicated anywhere, so it's not exactly clear where it's set. So it's kind of a shame, but you know, it is what it is. It found CC Writer again. That's good. Hopefully it's not the tape that's bad, because that would make me so sad. I guess that F is a good sign. I don't know what it means, but it's doing something. Like I said, this could take a good 2 minutes to load or so. So, like many computers of this time period, that's what it does. The thing I'm interested in more is the games, and we're definitely going to take a look at those, but I'd just like to give you guys an example of a productive program before I get into the less productive ones. Hey, it loaded properly. Sweet. Let's run it. Actually, did I just hit the brake key? I did, didn't I? Damn it. Did it still run? CC Writer. There we go. Alright. So, there you have it. Pretty basic word processor. So, let's do this. The quick, oh my god, I suck at typing on this keyboard. Brown fox jumps over the lazy cat. So as you can see, it highlights the lowercase letters and leaves the uppercase letters normal. So since it can't really display fonts, that's how it differentiates it. So that's an example of a productive program you could use with one of these. You could buy a printer and you could buy a printer and do that. So that's pretty cool. We flip the tape over. What's nice about these tapes is that on each side they have the programs in a different order. So on this side you had the productive programs first. On this side you have the games first. So we're going to take a look at the games, and I'm going to see if the joystick works with them. So let me rewind the tape here. There you have it. You have to unplug the remote jack to rewind the tape, by the way. Alright, I reset the machine, so yeah, let's see what the reset button does. Just put random crap on the screen and see what that does. Oh, that's a full reset. Nice. Alright. So let's check out some of the games here. For that I should probably shut the music off. Forgot that was even on during the video. Anyway. Press play on the tape and let's load up a game. I forget what's first on this tape. What is there? Gold Dig. I think the Westlife also demonstrated this game, but I'm going to try playing it. I just want to see what works with the joystick and what doesn't, so that's what I'm going to try out here. 16 by 9. I can zoom it in a little bit. I can stretch it out. Hey! Hey, look at that. I stretched it out so that it fills the whole screen. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to try it like that. Alright, it loaded the program, so let's try it out. Whoops. There. One thing I wanted to show you guys before is you can actually see the programming that's in these. So if I type a list, there's everything that was put into that program. All the commands and everything. There's this. Looks like this program is 2,150 lines. So it's quite a long program. Let's run it. First, let me make sure the volume is up on the TV. 15. There you have it. Let's see if the joystick works. Oh, the joystick does nothing! Press any key. This might be a keyboard-only game. Yeah, it looks like the joystick isn't going to do anything for me in this particular game. Yeah, this is just a keyboard game. $5 grams! Woohoo! I'm just drawing at this point. Oh, I gotta find something. Really, man? Hey, I found more gold. Oh my god. You have ended the game with 0 grams of gold. Well, wonderful. Nah. I'm done. Break. So, let me reset the dragon here. And, let's go on to the next one. Alright, and it's loaded. Let's try this one out. Tower of Fear. Oh, wow. Let's try this. I think this is a text adventure game. Yeah, it is. Okay. Welcome to the Tower of Fear by Charles Forsyth. You are at the base of a tall tower. You see thick ivy, sign, memo. I guess, read memo. Coming soon to a color computer near you. Dragon Quest Adventure by Charles Forsyth for any 16K color computer. Wow, they're advertising in their own game? Nice. Let's try reading the sign instead. Take treasures here and say score. What's score do? I have 0 treasures. Wow, that's encouraging. Well, let's go south. You see a pit. Look, pit. You see nothing special about the pit. Wow. Alright. Go south again. You can't go that way! Alright, go north. North. Go north again. Oil lamp archway. Get lamp, I guess. Go archway. Aww. You fall into a pit of spikes. You are dead. Well, that sucks. That's funny, man. Alright, let's try the next one. You know what I have to say about that last game? Oh, no! Alright, what we have here is Courier. So, let's try this one. See what it's all about. Oh yeah, this is the one that US Life played, where it kept crashing the plane. Oh, I'm fueling up, okay. Alright, let's try flying, see if I can't. Press enter to take off. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Up, 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 up! Oh god, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling! No! Can't land in trees. See, this game is just confusing to me. I just don't know why. I wonder if the joystick works with this one. I doubt it, but it might. You know what? Never mind. Let's go on to the next one. Wow, that one didn't take long to load at all. Dra intro. What is that one? Or Draintro? Dra-intro? Let's find out. Do you need instructions? Yes, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. You will enter a world of monsters and magic. To move about and function in this world, use 1 or 2 word phrases such as press enter to see. Examine lamp. Inventory. Go north. Help. I think I'll be using help a lot, so I guess this is another, you can just use 1 letter. Huh. Type CELO to load the game, alright. No. Huh. I guess it loaded instructions before it loads the game. Odd. Oh, okay. There it goes. Dragon. So I guess what that was before was the Dragon intro. So we'll see what this game is fairly soon here. Alright, let's see what this is. I suspect it's another text adventure game. 1982, there you go. Oh, it's Dragon Quest, okay. Same game as before, I guess. Alright. You are in a castle hall. You see king on throne. Talk. King. How do you talk? You know what? I had to. I had to. Alright, let's be serious. Go south. Go east. You need permission to... Guards send you back. You need permission to leave. Pfft. Well, I'm no royalty, obviously. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the Tano Dragon. I'm going to have fun learning BASIC on this, as well as playing around with some software that I find on websites. So, this was definitely worth it. You can buy one of these computers yourself. You can get one of these for yourself, just as I did, new old stock, from a company called California Digital. They have these. They have about 150 of these as of January 2013. Probably 149 now after I bought this one. So if you guys want one of these to play around with, you can order them. They're about, if you live on the East Coast of the United States, it's about $75 to the door. If you live in California, it's like probably $65 because shipping's cheaper. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at the Tano Dragon computer. There will be future videos on this and using its software and other things, but this is just an introduction to the machine. Quite a long introduction, actually, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. There will definitely be a lot more to come on this machine. If you want to get one of these for yourself, the links are down in the description. It's one of those things where you send them an email, they get back to you, they tell you where to send the money via PayPal, and then you don't have to use PayPal, but that's kind of their preferred method. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to get one of these, as well as to websites where you can get software for these and things like that. So there you have it, guys. This is the Tano Dragon computer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a good one, everybody.